Between the new rules for that and vaccines and who knows what else is next, maybe Flintstones vitamins, it's hard to know what is and isn't okay to put in your mouth anymore. But the good news is the FDA is listening and help is on the way.
If you're feeling tired and run down, you need a remedy backed by gold standard science. Introducing LyQuil, the only government-funded formula that cures everything. Measles, COVID, autism, bone spurs, tooth decay, windmill penis, and trans.
Transgender for everybody transgender. Don't take Tylenol.
Strike back with LyQuil, the sniffling, sneezing, coughing, sore throat, fever so you can rest in peace medicine. From the makers of Gropitocin.
Available at Walgreens.